guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you enjoy it throughout the entire video. If you're returning, thanks for sticking with me. I love you guys so very much. So very much. So basically you can see got a full face action going on here, and the point of this video is to show you what products I use from Huda Beauty and of course a couple other brands, basically on how I created this look. Now this can be like a nice summer look. If you're going out to an event or to a party, you can definitely rock this look. It's super subtle, but it's also in your face at the same time. I'm not talking, just enjoy the video. I'll see you guys at the end. Alrighty, so my first step is to go ahead and prime my face. I'll be using Huda Beauty's Smooth Sailing Perfecting Primer. Next, I'm using Huda Beauty's Faux Filter High Coverage Cream Foundation in the shade Gingerbread. So after I apply my foundation, I like to then move on to my brows. So for my brows, I'll be using the CoverGirl eyebrow pencil, and this is their ultra fine brow pencil in the shade Soft Brown. To just clean up my brows a bit, I like to go in with my MAC Pro Concealer, well, Studio Finish Concealer, and this is in the shade NW25. And then I like to just go ahead and keep my brows in place by using my e.l.f. Cosmetics, well, it's kind of an eyelash and eyebrow gel. It's like a 2-in-1, I just opened it, but it's a 2-in-1 kind of combo going on here. But I don't use it for my lashes. I mostly use both sides for my brows. So I'll use like the brow side first, and then when that starts to run out, then I'll switch to the lash, and it's been working wonders for me for all years. So I absolutely love and recommend this product. So for concealer, I'll be using my Huda Beauty Dualist Matte and Illuminating Concealer in the shade Tan. And one side is the almost like the lipstick side, so you can use that if you want to use more of the cream-based one. And then the other side is the liquidy side. Liquidy, you know what I mean. And this side, if you prefer to use some kind of liquid, then you can use that side. Alright, so next what I like to do is, before I get to my eyeshadow, I like to set under my eyes, and I also like to set my lids with a setting powder. So for this one, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty setting powder, and this is in Sugar Cookie. Now this is the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. So now that I've set my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and start with some eyeshadow, and I'll be using the new Nude eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty. And I love these shades because they're high pigmented, they're easy to blend, and I just overall love simple colors. I'm not crazy about bright colors. I love my shades of brown, my shades of pinks, something very simple. So I love this palette. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Finish Concealer, and I am just going to apply that to the center and inner corner of my lid. Alright, so I finished applying the concealer to my lid. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Crave. Yes, that's what it's called, Crave. And I'm going to apply that on top of what I just applied. Alright, so now that I went ahead and I applied that, I'm just going to go back in with the previous two colors that I used before, just to go back and add some more color to it. I'm gonna go in with Play just to kind of take away the harshness of the, well, not the crease, but the crease area. and soften it up just a tad bit. I'm not going to use a lot, but just enough. So I went ahead and I wiped off the setting powder. What I'm gonna do now is just add some color in between my eyes, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Bare. Time for lashes. So first I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Wonder Beauty Mile High Club. Next, I'm going to be contouring, and to contour I'm gonna go ahead and use my Huda Beauty Tantour Contour and Bronze Cream, and this is in the shade Medium. I kind of touched it, so you will see the smudges on there of my finger. Alright, so after I've contoured, now I want to add some blush and then finish off with some highlight. So for blush, I'll be using Hot Mama. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty N.Y.M.P.H Body Highlighter, and this is in the shade Aphrodite. Can't wait to use it. Let's go. So now I have finished my entire face, so of course I want to set it, and in order to set it I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Resting Boss Face, and this is their long-lasting hold with a matte finish. And of course, in order to seal your look, you have to add a lippy. Like, of course, it has to be a balm one too. So I will be adding a nice color from Huda Beauty's latest collection that came out from their Power Bullet Matte Lipstick collection. That's in this bad boy right here. And the color that I decided to choose is Spring Break. Well, there you have it, guys. A super simple, easy look using Huda Beauty products. I absolutely love how this turned out. I think it's super cute. It's super easy to do. It's not like too in your face because, you know, it's kind of subtle with pinks. And then, of course, this pop of color. Like, how bomb is this lip color? Like, I absolutely love this. And usually I am all red. I'm not into pinks at all. But this definitely is a great shade. So I will be using this often. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll make sure to put all the details for every single product that I used in the description area. If you also use some Huda Beauty products, definitely put that in the comment section. I would love to know what products you guys use. And other than that, stay tuned for my next makeup video. Peace, guys.